Hello friends! In this video, I intend to teach you how to register with the Capital Index broker. You enter the Forex Brokers section, select the Capital Index broker, and finally click on Go to Website. You enter the website, and in this section, you click on Create an account. In the registration section, you choose a title for your name, first name, last name, email address, and password for your account. I recommend using uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering the information, you confirm the website's terms by checking the box in this section, and then you click on Create Account. Then an email will be sent to confirm your account, which you will check in your email. You select Capital Index and click on this section to confirm. Then you enter your account dashboard and click on Continue Application. Click on Complete your registration. You enter your title, middle name, and last name, then click on Next. In the next section, you provide your gender, date of birth, country, mobile phone number, nationality, passport number, and answer questions such as whether you have another nationality, if you live for tax purposes in the US, and if you reside in any country other than your country of residence, then click on Next. In the next section, you complete your address information and then click on Next. In this section, you enter information about your financial status. After entering the information, click on Next. And in the final section, you enter your experience and knowledge in trading. Then click on Next. After entering the information, in the second section, you answer questions about your trading experience, and then click on Next. Then you select the currency you will be working with, read the website's terms, confirm by checking the box, and finally, click on Submit. Friends, registration was successful, but to work with the Capital Index website, you must upload documents such as ID card, passport, etc. Good luck.